In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund on Whop. If you've made a purchase on Whop that you're not happy with, or something didn't go as expected, there is a built-in way to request a refund directly through your account. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each step and share some tips to increase your chances of getting that refund approved. First, log into your Whop account on your browser. Once you're on the main dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a small menu. From that drop-down, select the option labeled Orders. This is where Whop keeps a record of your purchases and billing activity. When you're on the Orders page, you'll see a section called Billing History. Take a moment to carefully scan this list and find the specific transaction you want refunded. Check the product name, the date of purchase, and the amount to make sure you're selecting the correct order, especially if you've bought multiple products or subscriptions. Once you've located the right transaction, look for the three-dot menu icon next to it. Click on those three dots and you should see an option that says Request Refund. Go ahead and click that. This is what starts the official refund request process. After clicking Request Refund, Whop will guide you through a series of prompts where you'll explain your situation. This is your chance to clearly describe what went wrong or why you believe you deserve a refund. Be honest, specific, and polite. For example, you might explain if the product didn't match its description, if you experienced technical issues, or if you were charged unexpectedly. To strengthen your request, provide as much detail and evidence as you can. The more thorough you are, the better. You can upload screenshots, receipts, conversations with the seller, or anything else that supports your case. Clear evidence helps both the merchant and the Whop team understand exactly what happened and why a refund is reasonable. Before you submit, read through your explanation one more time to make sure it's complete and easy to understand. When everything looks good, send the request and wait for a response. Processing times can vary, so keep an eye on your email or your Whop account for updates. And that's the full process for how to get a refund on Whop.